Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coins on KuCoin. First, you'll need to create an account using your email or phone number. It's important to complete identity verification to unlock higher transaction limits and access all features. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication. These initial steps ensure your account is secure and ready for your first cryptocurrency transactions. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet, or you can buy crypto directly using fiat currency. KuCoin supports various payment methods, including credit or debit cards, and also integrates with third-party payment providers to facilitate your purchases. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now let's buy some coins. Head to the Buy Crypto section on KuCoin. Here, you can select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase and your preferred payment method. Review the order details carefully, including the amount and price, then confirm the transaction. Your newly acquired coins will then appear in your KuCoin wallet. After buying, you might want to explore trading. KuCoin offers various options, including spot and futures trading. Understand the difference between market orders, which execute immediately, and limit orders, which allow you to set a specific price. Always prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords and keeping your two-factor authentication active to protect your assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.